So here I am with the TireJect product. I got the 10-ounce package here. So we're going to mess around with this first, and I'm going to use the tools that the product came with so we know what works. So on a tubeless system, you have the high pressure, which I have marked with a red aluminum cap. We're not messing with that. We're going to take the normal cap off for chamber, your main chamber for adjusting your tire pressure off. And I just have a plastic one on there. We're going to take their cap with the core remover. I'm going to go ahead, reach in there and see if I can do it with theirs. When I ride, I always carry one of these. So right there's your valve core remover. And with this, I just spin it right off. Yeah, there's just not enough area. So, I mean, most riders, you should have a valve core remover tool. So that doesn't quite work for us. So then we want to take their thing here that's on the injector tool. Let's thread that on. You want to take the injector tool and figure out a good way to route it. We got spokes, I've got to figure that out. Okay, slide that on like that. I had to move you all, but this is what we got going on. I will face the numbers towards me so I can read it. And so when you open it, oh, it's actually blue. There's a little bit of smell to it. So in the rear, we want to do 6. So let's see. We want to, okay, I want to do 3 and then 3. Okay. This. I'll take the kink out of there and just go slowly pressing it. It's going to kind of go in naturally anyways because I have this on an angle, and so it's running down into there. Okay, that's 3. There we go. It is in there. Now, looks like I can just put a twist in that again in the tube here. I don't know if you can see that, but it's a flexible hose. That twist actually kind of helps you because you just go give a little twist so it doesn't go down in the tube. And we'll put there. Just untwist it, and it goes naturally kind of in the tire. This just helps it. And just go slow though so you don't pop off the tube. Just kind of go like that. Kind of cleans everything out. Little vibration gets it running down the tube, it looks like. Give it a good. Okay. Now I will unscrew this back off. I will take my valve stem core, place it in there. I'll take my tool. There we go. You don't want to go too hard, just enough. And maybe I had the valve in there harder than from the factory because this has more leverage than this does. I'll have to get a tire gauge to see. That's probably too much. Now I don't have a hole in the tire right now, so you know, I'll rotate the bike when I go to move it, the tire, but I'm not looking to plug a hole right now. This is preventative. So let's go to the front. So now we're on the front tire, and I think this is still a good angle. It can be sitting down here. Although, I don't know, I think I'll rotate it a little. I prefer it being up some, just from experience with slime. It tends to go in easier, so figure the same probably with the TireJect. You can take off on the syringe. You can take that off, just pops right off. Take the valve stem out first, obviously. Now, because I run a tubeless system on the bike, as you all might know if you're watching this video, is you can run really low pressure. So I will adjust pressure afterwards, after I get it in there. Put this cap on. And I'll put a twist just to stop it from flowing. Pull this out. Take it, and the front we want to do 4, which should be the rest of the packet. So hopefully, I might have got a little extra in the rear. Well, hopefully that's what happened. So I might have a, what's an ounce and a half more in the rear. So I might actually have, what would that be, 7.5 ounces in the rear. And right now this is 2.5. Probably the first one when I didn't know the trick for twisting the hose. So 7.5, looks like, if their bags are measured correctly, is in the rear. And then we'll still do the 4 here. Right now 2.5. So just open up the second bag they provided, and again I will put a twist in that tube to not allow it to go down. So let's see, that was 2.5, so I need to go 1.5. No, yeah, I need to go 1 ounce. There's 1 ounce and a half. Okay, right there. Okay. A little extra is not going to hurt anything. So that should be 4 ounces here. Obviously put your cap back on, make sure it's tight so it doesn't dry out. Another thing you probably didn't see me do off camera was shake the bag. So it's a bag, so you can kind of, especially these big ones, but yeah, shake the bag. Sorry about that. Okay, go like that. And because this cleans up with water, all you have to do is take the syringe inside and run water in it, warm water, probably preferably, and clean that out, and then you're good for next time. Take your valve stem core like you did with the rear, put it in there. Take your tool, take your air, whether it's with a pump or a compressor. I'm going to put a little too much in it for right now, and I will check in a bit, make sure everything seemed to be sealed. I'll actually put on their cap. Seeing as they gave me metal ones, might as well use them. Like that. There we go. And there we have it. That is how you put in TireJect into your tubeless system on your motorcycle, and we'll see how it works, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and check out my other videos. Have a good one. Bye.